Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Nissam here, and today I've got something that's going to blow your mind. Imagine coding Python right from your browser without the annoying setup, no installations, and guess what? You can automate, analyze data, and even visualize everything in real time. Yeah, sounds like magic, but it's real. Let me introduce you to Cliprun, your new best friend for running Python code directly on any web page. Let's jump right into it. All right, so what the heck is Cliprun? It's a tool that lets you run Python code right in your browser. And before you think it's just another boring coding app, nah, this one is different. It transforms any web page into your own Python playground. All you need is a Chrome browser, and boom, you're coding like a wizard. But Cliprun isn't just about coding on a blank screen. No, my friends, it's about saving time, automating boring stuff, and doing some really cool data analysis, all while staying right in your browser. No sign up. Yeah, you heard that right. No sign up is required. You don't have to give away your email or create yet another password you'll forget in 5 minutes. Just install Cliprun and you're good to go. Instant code execution. None of that waiting for the terminal to respond nonsense. You write the code, right click, and it runs. It's like Python on steroids. Unlimited usage. No limitations, no trials that make you cry after 7 days. Cliprun lets you use it as much as you want. All right, let's get started with installing Cliprun. First things first, head over to Google and search for cliprun.com. Click on the first link that shows up. It's the official Cliprun website. Once you're there, click on Add to Chrome. A new tab will pop up asking if you really want to add this Python code runner. Spoiler alert, you do. So go ahead and click Add to Chrome again. This will install the Python code runner on your browser. Next, to make it super easy to access, click on the little puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. That's the extensions icon. Find Cliprun and pin it so it's always just one click away. Boom. Now it's right there, ready whenever you need it. Let's test it out with a quick piece of code. You know what's coming, right? The classic hello world. You don't even need to paste anything. Once the Cliprun extension is installed, you'll see the code right there on the playground. Let's run this simple code that you see here. Just hit the run button and voila, you'll see that famous hello world message appear instantly. The Cliprun playground makes it super easy to run your Python code right in your browser. And the interface, simple and user-friendly, so you can focus on the fun stuff, coding. Now, let's talk about how to use this bad boy. So, let's say you're browsing a website and you want to pull some information like a list of articles. Normally, you'd open up your IDE, copy the URL, run your web scraper. Painful, right? But with Cliprun, just right-click, paste a small, beautiful soup script, and bam, you get a list of articles right in the browser. No fuss. Plus, you can save that script and run it anytime. Here's where things get spicy. Say you want to grab some live data from an API. Maybe you're checking weather data or stock prices. Just use the requests library, run the code directly in your browser, and you can process that data right there. It's like having Python's superpowers without ever leaving your web page. Okay, let's say you're a data nerd. No judgment here, I'm one too. Cliprun is perfect for that. You've got the full Python stack with pandas, NumPy, matplotlib, and plotly right at your fingertips. So you can go from data to beautiful charts and graphs in no time. Let's say you've got a CSV file of your YouTube stats, because I know you're checking those numbers. You upload it right in Cliprun, and then with just a few lines of code, you can create a beautiful plot of your subscriber growth using matplotlib. Just imagine how cool you'll look showing off those graphs during meetings, or just for flexing on Twitter. Let's talk about automation, one of my favorite things ever. Cliprun lets you schedule scripts. So if you've got some repetitive task, like checking the price of Bitcoin every hour, because hey, why not? You can set Cliprun to run your script automatically at set intervals. And the best part, you don't even have to be at your computer. Cliprun does the job for you. Automation with Cliprun makes tasks like checking the Bitcoin price every hour a breeze. You can set up a Python script to automatically fetch the latest Bitcoin price at 1 hour intervals without having to manually run the script each time. Just set it and forget it. With Cliprun's scheduling feature, your script will keep running like clockwork. ensuring you're always up to date. Now, if you're using the Pro plan, Cliprun gives you even more flexibility. The Pro version allows you to schedule these scripts to run in the cloud, so your computer doesn't even need to be on. This means your Bitcoin price checking script will continue to run every hour, even while you're away, and you'll have access to additional cloud computing power if needed. It's perfect for automating more complex or time-sensitive tasks without any hassle. Say you have a Python script that checks your email inbox for certain keywords. You can schedule it to run every 30 minutes without lifting a finger. Let Cliprun be your personal assistant. It'll handle the small stuff while you focus on bigger things, like watching Netflix. Cliprun also makes file handling super easy. You can upload files like CSVs, JSONs, whatever, right into your browser, run your Python code on them, and then download the processed file. It's like having a mini data lab running directly in your browser. Let's say you've got a messy CSV file full of customer data. You clean it up using pandas in Cliprun, save it back as a new CSV, and download it all within the same browser tab. Easy peasy. It's like magic, except you don't need a wand, just some Python. Wingardium Leviosa for data. Now, if you're wondering about the cost, I've got some good news. Cliprun offers a free version that gives you unlimited code execution, file operations, and all the Python libraries you could ever dream of. But hold up. If you're thinking about more advanced features like cloud backup for your clips or scheduled runs, you might want to check out their Pro plan, which comes at just $10 a month. Now here's the fun part. The Pro version also gives you credits. You can use these to access extra cloud memory and CPU time. It's like Cliprun gives you a bank of computing power, and you get to spend it how you want. And if you're running something heavy, don't worry. Cliprun lets you manage your memory limits and scale up when you need extra power. Oh, and for teams, there's an upcoming team plan with shared workspaces, perfect if you're collaborating on projects with your squad. Super fancy, right? Before you ask, Cliprun keeps things private. Your code runs locally in your browser, so no sketchy stuff. But if you go Pro and your code needs to run in the cloud, everything is encrypted, so you're safe from prying eyes. All right, folks, that's Cliprun in a nutshell. It's an incredible tool for coders, data nerds, and automation fans. Whether you're analyzing data, scraping websites, or just running Python code on the fly, Cliprun's got you covered. Go check it out, and I promise, once you use it, you won't go back. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe if you want more content like this, and as always, drop a comment if you've got any questions. See you in the next one.